Supreme Court issues TRO on further transfer of PhilHealth funds to the National Treasury.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome na naman po dito sa ating mumuting channel ng Lance TV. Guys, itong mapapanood nyo po ngayon na video, ito po yung grupo po ni former Supreme Court Justice Antonio Carpio. Itong grupo po niya, sila po ay nag-file ng petition sa Supreme Court, humihingi ng TRO dahil po doon sa pag-transfer ng PhilHealth sa Treasury. Malaking bagay po yun para sa ating mga pagkaraniwang Pilipino. Kaya nagpapasalamat po tayo ngayon dito sa grupo po nila former Chief Justice and Associate Justice Antonio Carpio. Nagpasalamat po tayo sa grupo nila dahil nag-issue po ng TRO ang Supreme Court na ihinto yung pag-transfer ng funds galing sa PhilHealth papunta sa Treasury. Although nakapag-transfer na po sila. Sana nga po ma-recover yun, pero ilang natin alam, baka mag-petition ulit sila na ibalik yun, di ba? Ibalik sa PhilHealth. Kasi kung tutusin, ang laking pakinabang po talaga ng PhilHealth niyan, lalo na sa akin, sa pamilya ko po personally, malaking tulong po talaga yan eh. Yung na hospital po yung anak ko, yung misis ko, zero po talaga, zero bill ng dahil sa PhilHealth. Yung emergency PhilHealth, mag-apply ka ng emergency sa PhilHealth. Zero billing po talaga. Although bumibili ka ng gamot sa labas, pero normal na yun, di ba? Pangkaraniwan na yun, bibili ka talaga ng gamot sa labas kasi sa loob, wala naman talagang gamot na, pupunti lang yung gamot, di ba? Kung mayroon na. Kaya pakinggan po natin guys, itong ito po yung bago po mag-issue ng TRO yung Supreme Court, okay?
Magandang umaga. Thank you for attending this press con. We just filed our petition with the Supreme Court. The petition is basically grounded in two provisions of the Constitution. First, the Constitution says no law shall be passed authorizing the transfer of appropriations. Ngayon, yung 2024 General Appropriation.
Guys, ito pakinggan na lang po natin hindi na tayo magbibigay ng komento kasi Supreme Court Justice po yun. Pinaliwanag na po niya lahat kung ano man yung mga kailangan. Kaya panoorin na lang po natin, hindi na tayo pwedeng magbigay ng komento dito, reaction. Kundi nagpapasalamat na lang po tayo sa kanila, sa grupo po nila dahil hindi pa nagbigay ng TRO ang Supreme Court dahil sa ginawa nila.
This act says the Secretary of Finance is authorized to transfer excess funds of PhilHealth to the National Treasury to fund the unprogrammed appropriations. So that is a direct violation because the general rule is no law shall be passed authorizing.
Ayan, pinapaliwanag na po ni dating Justice Antonio Carpio ng violation ng ginawa ng Congress at ng Department of Finance.
The transfer of appropriations. Yung 2024 CAA authorized the transfer. Ngayon, under that provision of the Constitution, there are exceptions. Ano ang exceptions? One, the President can transfer savings from one item the budget to another to augment that other item, but only within the executive department. But it's the President, it's not the Secretary of Finance. In the judiciary, it is the Chief Justice who can transfer savings, not appropriations. Iba yung savings, iba yung appropriations. In the Congress, it's the House Speaker who can transfer savings for the budget of the House, and in the Senate, it's the Senate President. And for constitutional officers, it's the chairman of these constitutional bodies. Only savings can be transferred. Hindi yung buong appropriation. Ano yung savings? Savings are yung appropriation, pag let's say it's 1 billion appropriation to build a bridge, 800 million lang nagamit, yung 200 million, yun yung savings. Yun ang pwede.
Yun na, klarong-klaro yung pagkapaliwanag po ni Justice Carpio, no? Savings, paano magiging savings sa PhilHealth yun, di ba? Continuous, ang daming nangangailangan ng serbisyo ng PhilHealth, tapos sasabihin mong savings, palusot na lang talaga ng gobyerno yun. No? Savings, kung yun nga naman, di ba, pinaliwanag niya, kung 1 billion, may 800 million na nagasto, may 200, yun ang savings. Pero sa PhilHealth, paano magkakaroon ng savings?
Transfer to augment another item. Pero itong 2024 GAA authorized the Secretary of Finance, hindi naman siya kasama doon sa mga officers authorized to transfer savings. So that's violation. At saka he is authorized to transfer the appropriation, the surplus funds. For PhilHealth, wala namang surplus kasi hindi pa tapos yung universal health services, no? Ang dami pang nangangailangan ng gamot.
Walang katapusan yun, universal health services. Habang may buhay, may nandyan yan, kailangan yan. Kaya hindi pwedeng magkakaroon ng savings. Dapat ginagasto.
Kulang pa yung mga hospitals. So, hindi pa na-accomplish yung purpose ng PhilHealth. So, walang savings. There is another provision of the Constitution that is being violated. Nakalagay sa Constitution, special funds raised through taxation for a specific purpose cannot be used for any other purpose. Yung funds ng PhilHealth was raised by a special law, by the excise tax, yung tinatawag na sin taxes, nakalagay doon, X% of the taxes from excise taxes shall be used to fund the objectives of PhilHealth. So that is a special fund raised for a specific purpose. Under the Constitution, you cannot use those special funds for any other purpose. Express yan. Kaya ang ginawa nila, ginamit nila itong special funds of PhilHealth, ilinipat doon sa ibang items for program appropriation. That's a violation of the express prohibition against the use of special funds.
Ayan, klarong-klaro po yung pagkapaliwanag ni Justice Carpio.
For any other purpose.
Bago pa ang lahat guys, bago matapos ang video na to, pwede pa-subscribe naman at paki-like itong video natin, okay? Pindot na. Maraming salamat po.
The Constitution, pwede mo magamit yung special funds for other purposes only in two cases. If there is a law abandoning the purpose, wala naman. And if the purpose has been accomplished, hindi pa naman na-accomplish yung purpose ng PhilHealth. So these are the two main grounds that we are citing in our petition. And we are asking the Supreme Court, to issue a TRO. Bakit? Irreparable ito. Sa PhilHealth lang, 89.9 billion ang ililipat nila. That is irreparable because pag nagasto na yan, there's nobody in government that can reimburse that. Kasi the rule is, if it's an illegal disbursement, yung disburse illegally, we have to return the money. But how can anyone return 89.9 billion?
Wala nang pwede magbalik niyan. Kaya bang ibalik ni Recto yan? Hindi, kaya ibalik ni Recto.
Hindi kaya ni Secretary Recto yan. So it is irreparable, it cannot be returned. So dapat may TRO ito. Otherwise, hindi na babalik yan sa government. Nobody can get back those funds. So those are two grounds. So we'll be...
Kahit pa siguro yung mga nailipat na, kahit may TRO na, Hindi na siguro yun may babalik. Ang sakop lang siguro ng TRO, yung mga naiwang funds, yun na lang ang hindi may lilipat. Pero yung nailipat na, parang wala na yatang pag-asang may balik pa yun. No? Sayang. Ang laking pakinabang sana sa atin yun, mga mamamayan, mga mahihirap pa. No?
And for questions from the press. Thank you.
Okay, so please raise na lang lahat kung sino and then question. Pag-i-identify lang. Ito.
One point to the is from
Bernadette.
Justice, tatanong ko lang po kung ano po yung prayer po ng Ilipong Pinay.
Our prayer, one, that the circular issued by Secretary Recto be declared unconstitutional. Two, the provision in the GA 2024 authorizing the transfer of the so-called excess funds be declared unconstitutional. And third, that the TRO be issued immediately. We have other prayers, pero those are the three most important.
Just to remind everybody, we are here in the under prayers. Yeah, you said, Shelmano, Justice Tony Carpio, Justice Chief Carpio Manes, and
Sir, mayroon po nakaset na oral arguments for next year sa January for the first two petitions of PINSA. Would it be too late na kung doon talaga magsisimula yung proseso without issuing the TRO since tuloy-tuloy yung paglilipat? Thank you.
Well, nagmang aspect po yun, no?
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa grupo ni na dating Supreme Court Justice Antonio Carpio, no? Kung marami na pong nag-file, pero hindi po nag-issue ang Supreme Court ng TRO. Nung sila na po yung nag-file, natumbok po talaga nila yung provision ng Constitution, natumbok po talaga nila yung pagkakamali ng ginawa ng Department of Finance, ng gobyerno, sabihin na natin. Kaya yun, nag-issue yung Supreme Court ng TRO. At saka may yung naiiwan na funds, mayroon pa yata 30 billion, hindi na maililipat yun. Mapapakinabangan na yun, magagamit na yun ng mga mahihirap ng mga kababayan natin. Sana po ako doon, na nakikinabang doon sa PhilHealth na yun. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo, sir. Salute po sa inyo, sir. Dating Justice Antonio Carpio. Maraming salamat po sa ginawa niyo.
Alam po natin ngayong araw na to maglilipat na naman ng 30 billion pesos ang PhilHealth papunta sa Treasury at yung remaining 30 billion pesos ay ililipat ngayong November. Katulad po nung binanggit ni Justice Carpio, medyo irreparable to kapag nalipat na lahat ng pondo dahil paano ito maibabalik. So ang value po siguro kung magkakaroon ng decision sa January ay yung pagdeklara na unconstitutional itong ginagawa ng Department of Finance at ang Kongreso natin sa pagkuha ng pondo ng PhilHealth. Yun po ang magiging value ng desisyon na yun na sana ay mapigilan at hindi na magulit ang insidente ito. Pero katulad po ng binanggit ni Justice Carpio, gusto po natin i-emphasize yung urgency ng pag-i-issue ng TRO dahil napakahalaga pong masigurado natin na well-funded ang PhilHealth dahil ito po ang nagpopondo ng ating Universal Health Insurance Program.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. Don't forget to subscribe, like at share sa channel natin. Bye-bye!